If you want to create a cohesive coloring book, like a coloring book where all the pages like they belong together, especially if it's about the same person in different clothing, outfits, doing different things. This is the GPT for you. I will show you how it works. Let's go. This is my Abigail coloring page GPT. I call it Abigail not because it does only girls, but because my daughter name is Abby and she loves art. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, when you're on the home page, you can go here, click here, for instance. And then it's thinking, this thing thinks, oh my goodness. What do you want to design today, a male or a female? Let's go for female. Okay, let's go for female. And it will ask you another question. What's your character's name? You just put a name in there. I'll put it Sas. Okay. And then it will ask you another question. Nice, Sas it is. What hairstyle does Sas have? You can pick one from here or you can add your own, like a mix of your own with one of these words. Okay. Let's say I want short twists. Say one short twist. It will come out there. Oh no, I can say short. I'll put short three. It means short twist because twist is, you see, twist is the third and short twist. So I put short three. Put here short three twist. What emotion do you want us to portray? Example: confident, calm, joyful, sassy, focused, relaxed. Let's say I'll put annoyed. I could have chosen one of these, but I'll put annoyed. And maybe it will tell me, we don't have annoyed. Yeah. But still, it's putting annoyed. Sass is surfing annoyed. The don't try me face. You see that there. What outfit does Sass have? What outfit does she wear? Okay. You can have fitted blazer and jeans, crop jacket and high lounge, no, stylish jumpsuit. Let's say five. Five. You can also add your own, as long as it's size is not, the person is not nude, like naked. You can add anything. Okay, size in a jumpsuit. What background should size have? Choose one or describe your own. You can choose one of these or you can describe your own. Let's say on her couch, on her couch with her fluffy puppy. I love the word fluffy puppy. Fluffy puppy. Okay, you see that? And now we're gonna stand it, and then it will generate the image for us. And now we will see what she looks like. So it's thinking and it's generating it for us. Nowadays ChatGPT is faster. It does the work faster. Normally it was like 2 minutes, but nowadays it goes faster. Okay, let's go. Actually, I said faster, but how can I say it? It's more entertaining. It's more entertaining. It shows you this, but no, earlier, like a few days ago, it was like a black thing. You would see a gray thing. How? Here is she. I don't know why she's so sexy, but here is she. She is, when you go back, she was a female, she's a female, her name is Saz, and her hair, we wanted short twists. Can you remember short twists? And she is in a stylish jumpsuit. Look, stylish jumpsuit is number 5, so I put number 5 here. And she is in a living room. Where should she be? She's on her couch with a fluffy puppy. and she is annoyed. Look at the twists. At her face, she's annoyed. She's with a stylish jumpsuit, and the floppy puff is right there. And she is on the couch in her living room. And they added the phone because she's annoyed with a phone call she had. Okay, you see this? We designed this. So in another video, I'll show you how to continue designing with her, with other emotion, other outfits, doing other activities. So when you're creating a coloring book, it's good to for it to be cohesive. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the other video. Thank you for watching. And if you watch this and you like it, don't forget to follow me or subscribe because I'm going to teach you all those things with this.